Okay, I'm coming to you with another repair for a Mitsubishi Outlander. I'm going to replace this busted fog light. So the very first thing you're going to do is you need to turn the bezel counterclockwise until it stops. I've already done that. So because it's kind of tricky to do it takes two hands sometimes. So, and then you pull that out. And you're going to see here, there's going to be two number 2 Phillips screws. You're going to take your screwdriver. Actually, there's 3 here, 4. Sorry. And you're going to take your Phillips screwdriver and you're going to unscrew those. That'll let you take that housing out. So I need both hands to do that. So mine's a 2011, which is here. And this is a part I got out of a 2008 out of Wrecker. And you can see the housing's a little different. But I think that if I grind that off here, that the back bracket will actually fit, and the adjustment is going to just be different on this one. This one here's got the adjustment for the light here, whereas the other one's got the adjustment for the light down here, and I think I can make that work. So I'm going to try that out. So taking the housing off, I broke one of the tires right here, but taking the housing off, you'll see it actually fits in. So there we go. It actually lines up with the holes. So I can now put that in. You have it. So what I did is I put the other screw on this side because that bracket's broken. I could have put the screw in there with the washer as well. That would have worked as well. So I got to realign this. So now that's in. Now I'm going to put this back in, the bezel. The alignment of the adjustment hole isn't going to be that critical anymore because I won't be able to adjust it. That's okay. What I'll do is I'll do a test on it and see how it lines up, and then I can do that. So now I just got to make sure I got this lined up correctly as such. There, I'm gonna like that. I'm gonna twist that in a minute, and I'm gonna turn on the light so you guys can see it. And there you have it, a fixed fog light. Quick job, took me 10 minutes to do. Hope this helped.